GM everyone, my name is Matthew and I'm a contributor at JuiceboxDAO. Today I'm going to do a walkthrough of recent updates to Juicebox.money. So we'll cover the new homepage, about page, and success stories, as well as some exciting new features like improved search and project tags. So let's get started with the homepage. So at the top, we've got a call to action, create a project and fund your thing. And right below, you can see a few trending projects built on Juicebox. So you can browse what creators are building and find some projects that align with your values and interests. You'll also notice some categories at the top like DAO, NFT, and fundraising. So those are a new feature, which is project tags. So for example, if you click on DAO, you'll be able to find projects that have added that tag. You can also use tags to filter your searches. Keep in mind that this is a new feature and not too many projects have added tags yet, so give it a try next time you're browsing projects. So while we're on the Explore page, you'll also notice that search has been completely revamped, so it's now way easier to find specific projects or browse to find new ones. So, for example, if I type in NBA, I can find projects like Krause House that are built by basketball fans, or if I type in nouns, I can find projects in the nouns ecosystem like SharkDAO. So, going back to the homepage, here we have a few examples of the different types of projects that you can build with Juicebox. Whether you're starting a DAO, crowdfunding for a cause, launching an NFT project, or building something else, you can manage the funds transparently with your community. If you'd like to know more about past projects that have been successful, we've created a new success stories section which tells the story behind projects like Constitution DAO, Moon DAO, SharkDAO, and Studio DAO. Each case study will tell you how the project got started, how they set up their project on Juicebox, and how they found success. Back to the homepage, next we have a quick summary of how Juicebox works, including setting up your project with rules to build trust, managing your treasury on-chain, and building your community with token and NFT issuance. You can also find a link to the docs if you want to learn more. Next, we have a section highlighting some of Juicebox's core strengths. So Juicebox is community-owned, reliable and transparent, trust minimized, flexible, and extensible. After that, we have the Juicy Picks section, which is a new section of curated projects on Juicebox that really stand out from the crowd. So these projects will rotate on a monthly basis and will be chosen by the Juicebox community. And we talked about project tags at the beginning of the walkthrough, so here we have those categories again for your browsing pleasure. And if you still have some questions, make sure to check out the FAQ section near the bottom of the homepage. Last but not least, you'll see a button here to contact onboarding. So if you'd like more personalized assistance while setting up your project, reach out via the contact form or join the Discord at discord.gg/juicebox. We're also introducing a brand new About page on Juicebox.money. So in the top nav, I'll click on About under Resources. That'll bring us to this banger illustration by Sage right above Juicebox's mission statement to enable the creators of tomorrow to launch, fund, and manage the boldest projects on the internet. So as you can see in this first section, Juicebox has already helped raise over $176 million on the way to our goal of enabling creators to raise $1 billion, all while maintaining community ownership of the underlying protocol. Juicebox is open source and built on Ethereum, so in this next section we have a link to our GitHub organization where you can see the code for the Juicebox.money front end, the Juicebox subgraph, the Juicebox contracts, Juicebox docs, and more. The next section talks about JuiceboxDAO, which is the DAO that governs the Juicebox protocol with the JBX token. There are thousands of community members from around the world that make up the Juicebox community, so come join the Discord and get involved if you haven't already. Values are important, so we made sure to spell out what we think is important at JuiceboxDAO: trust, transparency, reliability, fun, community, and customization. JuiceboxDAO contributors are what makes Juicebox possible. So next we have a list of active contributors from the community, as well as info on becoming a contributor yourself. And last but not least, we've included a link to jbdao.org, which is where JBX holders are able to vote on JuiceboxDAO governance proposals. You can also join the Juicebox Discord. Again, that's discord.gg/juicebox. to get more involved with the governance process. Okay, so that's all for today. Leave a comment below or drop into the Discord to let us know what you think. And if you want to stay up to date with everything happening at Juicebox, make sure to subscribe to Juice News at newsletter.juicebox.money.